Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine 2h equals to number 1 minus 2 sine a squared in here. So we have cosine s. We can put into cosine of number 2 multiplied by s over 2 because this one equals to s, and now capital A, that is about s over 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we have 1 minus 1, that is cancel. Negative, negative, we have positive. Now, we know that we have the second formula in here. So the square root of number 2 I will put outside, and that will be like this. This one we can transform into this one. Now we need to consider about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. So I will select about on the right. So on the right upside of s over 2, we know that on the right upside, if s approach to number 0, there's still about the positive number. So we have positive side of s over 2. So when s approach to number 0 on the left, that is about negative. So the left side of the negative of s approach to number 0, that is about negative. So this one they will create about negative side of s over 2. Now we have two limits in here. Now I will divide by number 2 on numerator and the denominator. Similar for the second one. Next, we have the last formula in here. When s approach to number 0, sine of as over as equals to number 1. So capital A in this situation, that is about 1 over 2 with next to s in here. So the value of this one over this one equals to number 1. So this one we can get the final answer like this. And this one we have negative with the answer in here. So if we look carefully, the limit on the right, we have the positive number. The limit on the left, we have the negative number. So because on the left and on the right, they are not the same. So we can say that the limit does not exist. This is the end. Thank you for watching.